Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create better prompts in Google AI Studio in 2026. If you want more accurate, detailed, and useful AI responses, this guide will walk you through a few simple prompt writing techniques step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, start a new prompt by clicking New Prompt or Create Prompt. Next, clearly describe what you want the AI to do. Instead of using short or vague instructions, include specific details about the task, the topic, the tone, the format, and the desired length of the response. Now provide additional context whenever possible. The more relevant information you include, the easier it is for the AI to understand your request and generate better results. Next, if you want the response in a particular style, mention it directly. For example, you can ask for a professional explanation, a beginner-friendly guide, a step-by-step tutorial, or a concise summary. After writing your prompt, click Run or Generate and review the response carefully. If the output isn't exactly what you expected, refine your prompt by adding more details or adjusting your instructions. Continue experimenting with different prompt styles and wording. Small changes can often produce significantly better results. Finally, save your best prompts so you can reuse them in future projects and maintain consistent, high-quality responses. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create better prompts in Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.